So today I will show you how to solve a limit in a given function. So this one problem that we're going to solve is going to give us an example on how to answer or how to find the limit of a function of the given value of x. So let's start now. Now we need to find the limit of a function of x minus 4 over x squared negative 7x plus 12 as x approaches 4. So my first step is substitution. Substitution. I also do is to look at the denominator if it equals to 0. The function numerator, I change it to change it to n over 4 squared minus 7 times 4 plus 12 equals n over 16 minus 28 plus 12. So equals n equals 0. So we have DNA, or limit does not exist in approaching the value of x. So we know that this denominator, if we factor it out, is going to be an x minus 4 over x squared. So factor was a factor of x plus x approaches also x squared minus 7 x plus 12. 12 that will give you negative 7 will be negative 4 and negative 3, because negative 4 times negative 3 is 12, and we know we can cancel this out. This wait, we can cancel this out. So we are left with x minus 3, and we're going to evaluate it to limit approaching 4. So in this case, if we're going to substitute it, the 4 to the value of x1, the limit 1 over x minus 3 as x approaches to 4. So this guys, 4 minus 3 equals 1 over 1. or 1. So the limit now, guys, it exists. Limit exists. So we're going to, so that's all, guys. Thank you. Now let's talk about how to evaluate limits using property of limits. For example, let's say that the limit as x approaches a of the function of f of x. This is x, guys. Let's say it's equal to 4. So using that information, what is the limit as x approaches a? Write it here down, guys. X approaches a of 4 of x. Just, what are you supposed to do is take the constant. Take the constant. And here. As x approaches a. X approaches a of f of x. So basically, guys, the value of this limit is equals to 4. Now we know we can just 4 times 4 and 16. So that's all, guys. But others, they have to do the standard way. That's all, guys. That's all for properties of limits. In this lesson, we're going to focus on finding the limits of a quotient. So let's say we have a function of f of x equals 7x. What is the difference quotient of that function? Now the difference quotient is represented with this formula. It's f of x plus h equals 7 of x of h plus h plus h. Now we will have f of x is 7x. What do you think f of x? F of x plus h minus f of x over h equals 7x plus h minus 7x over h. Represents with all you got to do is replace x with 7x plus h. Here, guys, 7x plus 7h 7h minus 7x over h. We just gotta cancel the 7x, so that's equals to all left is 7h over h, and we gotta cancel the h. Now we get 7. So that's the answer, guys. 7. That's so very simple.